Good morning, class 8. Myself Ranjit Kumar. I welcome you all in the e-learning program of Modern English School, Kunti Nagar, Nevada. This is the fourth video lecture of the chapter Chemical Effect of Electric Current. In last video, we have discussed about electrolysis. What is electrolysis? A process in which the electric current passes through a solution and the solution undergo changes. This is called electrolysis. Okay. So we have discussed what is electrolyte. We have also discussed what is electrodes. Two types of electrodes are there: positive electrode, negative electrode, means anode and cathode. We have also discussed that the solution that we get in the electrolysis, during electrolysis, that solution is called electrolyte, and this electrolyte undergo decomposition, and it break into two ions, cations and anions. Cations means which is attracted towards the cathode, and anion which is attracted towards the anode. So if cathode is negatively charged, then cation is positively charged. As we know, positive charge and negative charge, there is a attraction. So in today's video, these all things has been discussed. I am requesting you all, if anyone have any problem in electrolysis, you should ask. Otherwise, now the topic which I am going to discuss, that you won't understand. And the next topic is electroplating. That is very important topic. You will get question from that. So that is also important. So once again I am saying, if anyone is having any problem in electrolysis, feel free to ask. Okay, you all know my WhatsApp number. I am saying here 7322090198. This is my number. You can call and ask on this number. Okay. So see, today we are going to discuss uses and application of electrolysis. What are the uses or application of electrolysis? First, electrolysis is used for purification or extraction of metal from their ores. Means first application is, it is used for extraction of metals from their ores. Means electrolysis help in extraction of metals from their ores. Example of metals are sodium, aluminium and potassium. Okay, to make you understand this thing, I will give one example of sodium. You know NaCl. This is the common salt. If you heat this at 801 degrees Celsius, it will change into molten NaCl. ये लिक्विड के फॉर्म में आ जाएगा. So during electrolysis, if you take molten NaCl, here this is positively charged, here this is negatively charged. I am not going in very detail, I am just explaining you roughly. Actually these things you don't have to remember, you have to remember this much only, but I don't want you to remember, just understand. So if you take molten NaCl and pass electricity through the electrode, then this NaCl will break into Na plus and Cl minus, right? So Cl being negatively charged, it will attract towards the positive terminal. So Cl will get attracted here, and Na, sodium being positively charged, it will get attracted towards the cathode. This is the cation and this is the anion. This is the cathode, this is the anode. Now this sodium, since it is cathode, means negatively charged, means excess electron is there. If it has excess electron and sodium positive charge, means it lack electron, it will take one electron and it will get converted into sodium metal and it get deposited here. So sodium metal get deposited on cathode, and chlorine will change into Cl2, chlorine gas, and it will come out in form of bubbles. So with the help of electrolysis we can extract sodium from NaCl. So this electrolysis is used for extraction of metal from their ores. Next, electrolysis is also used for manufacture of chemicals. So it is also used for manufacture of chemicals. Means electrolysis is used for the manufacture of chemicals which are used in industries. Example of chemicals are hydrogen, oxygen, chlorine, etc. If you remember that during the video lecture I have told you hydrolysis, or during live class I have told you hydrolysis of water, means water also break on when electricity pass through it, it also break into hydrogen and oxygen. So if I take H2O, this will break into H plus and OH minus. This being positively charged, it will get attracted to the cathode, and being negatively charged, OH will get attracted towards the anode. So when it comes here, H plus, it will take one electron and it will get converted into H2 gas. So here gas formation is here, and here this will convert into O2 gas. So here gas formation is there. So hydrogen and oxygen during hydrolysis of water is generated, and just now in the last slide, means last board which I have drawn there, during the breakdown of NaCl, at cathode sodium was deposited and at anode chlorine gas was formed. So with the help of electrolysis we can also manufacture chemicals which are used in industry such as hydrogen, oxygen, chlorine, etc. Okay. Next is electrolysis is also used for refining of metals, means electrolytic refining. Refining means purification, means the process of refining of the metal with the help of electrolysis is called electrolytic refining. So electrolysis is also used for the refining of the metals. So electrolytic refining is widely used for the refining of copper, zinc, tin, silver, gold, nickel, etc. So 3 point I have discussed. It is used for extraction of metal, and it is used for synthesis or manufacture of the chemical, and third is electrolytic refining. Fourth one is electroplating. What is electroplating? It is a process of depositing a thin layer of one metal over another metal by the process of electrolysis. So this last one, electroplating, it is a process of depositing a thin layer of one metal over another metal by electrolysis is called electroplating. So you have to remember these 4 points. Remember it, read it. You remember especially this definition, because in coming video we are going to see electroplating in details. Okay, so for today this 4 point means uses or application of electrolysis you have to remember. So in coming or the next video we will discuss about electroplating in details. Okay.